Yam is respected as the king of other crops in Igbo land, southeast Nigeria. Before a new yam is harvested and eaten, there are some spiritual obligations in honor of the Almighty Creator who made it possible for the yam to have grown. For Ogbunike people in Oyi local government area of Anambra State, the month of September heralds the ceremonies for a new yam to be eaten. Dr. Harris Chuma, a titled chief in the community, sets aside a date to perform the New Yam Festival. It is usually a display and promotion of the rich cultural heritage of Ogbunike people. For this year's ceremony, illustrious sons and daughters of Ogbunike, both at home and in diaspora, gathered at Ilombago as Ogbunike, venue of the celebration, in respect to their culture and tradition. Dr. Chuma, while thanking God for good health to witness this year's harvest, noted that the ceremony affords Ogbunike people opportunity to fraternize and chant ways to move the community forward.
This is the beginning of new things to happen. This is the beginning of a new dawn. This is a new dawn. A new dawn has set here in Ogbunike, and I'm grateful that I'm alive this year to celebrate yet another New Yam Festival. This is an annual ritual for us. The promotion of the culture of the good people of Ogbunike is paramount. It's paramount. It's supreme. And that is why every year we come together in this form and this style to enjoy ourselves. You have spiritual benefits, also physical benefits. Talk about spiritual benefits. We come together, we pray. We call on our ancestors to wake up. We lay our problems, our challenges before them. And we tell them this is what we are facing. And we want it solved. And we get solution instantly. Okay? We pray with Kolanot. We pray with the new yam. We pray because the land is fertile. And the ancestors, they are instrumental to the fertility of this land. And so when we pray, the crops, not just yam. Of course, yam is the king of crop. Okay, so the king of crop will look at his subjects.
Guests and key stakeholders in the community advise the younger generation to identify with those customs that promote their identity.
New Yam Festival is always a harvest period, and in our Igbo calendar it becomes a new year, because once the yam harvested this year, everything new will start in the next planting season. So eventually, traditionally, it's otherwise as a new year, and then our harvesting period, when we harvest everything we farm for the year. So we do Yam Festival celebration to thank God for a bountiful harvest for the year, in preparation for the upper year to come ahead.
What Ogene is doing today is what I will call a promotion of the culture of our land and the culture of Igbo people in general. Iwaji is a culture that is known in Igbo land from the ages. Our forefathers did it, and now it's our turn. We will continue to celebrate it.
Bonobu etunde nna nna anyị fasi emi mgbe gboo. No na-aga ebido lụba ọlụ ugbo, alụsị ọlụ ugbo, lụpụta ji. eme mmemme na-alụpụtago ji wee kenee Chineke n'ife ọma o mee n'ọlụ ugbo alụ iji gosi gị na awanji abụrụ aja ife na ife dị mma ka ọ bụ nọọ ikene Chineke n'ihe ọma o meela anyị eme mmemme wee bido libe ya bụ ji ọfụ dịka ọkpala Igwedo bụ ogene Igbo ogene gburugburu ogene Nigeria ogene Ogbunike ogene Oyi ogene Anambra steeti na-eme n'ụbọchị tata anyị wee bịa nọnyelie dịka ndị echichi
ife obi anwere ife ọganiru na anyị nọ n'ụbọchị nke dịka taa a na-echetala anyị ife anyị ji wee bụrụ ụmụ Ogbunike ife anyị ji wee bụrụ ụmụazụ Ogbunike na a na-enwe culture and tradition nke bụ n'olu ọ ga-aya awa ji echetakwala anyị na n'ife a ka ndị nna nna anyị farapụla anyị
obi aṅụrị ị na-anya fụ na Ogbunike juru ebe a ma ụmụada ma ndị nze ma ndị ọzọ ma ndị akajianị ndị na-ebe a bụ ndị executive azụ Ogbunike nke mụnwa bụ onye isi fa anọkwu m ya soro na-akwado ya bụ ife so na anyị na-ebi ugbo ekere n'ụzọ pụrụ iche na-asa ya jide ka o ji na-asa ya jide ka o ji na ọ ga-adị ya na mma.
Ogbunike is a community blessed with numerous tourist sites as well as enormous land for agricultural purposes. From Ogbunike in Oyi local government area, Uche Nawekoyo, NTN News.